How much has the Greenland ice sheet melted in recent years? Have you ever wondered about the fate of the Greenland ice sheet and how much it has melted in recent years? This massive ice formation plays a vital role in the polar regions and impacts our planet significantly. Let's break down what has been happening to this ice sheet. The Greenland ice sheet is one of the largest bodies of ice in the world. It covers about 1.7 million square kilometers. The melting of this ice sheet is closely linked to global climate change. The melt season typically runs from April 1st to November 1st. During this time, warmer temperatures and increased sunlight lead to significant melting. In recent years, the Greenland ice sheet has experienced substantial mass loss. For example, in the year 2024, it lost around 55 gigatons of ice. This was the lowest annual loss since 2013. The reduction in melting was due to above-average snowfall and below-average temperatures during the melt season. However, looking at long-term trends reveals a different story. Over the past decade, the melting rates have increased dramatically. Since the 1980s, the ice sheet has lost over 1 trillion tons of ice. In fact, the melting rates in the last decade are 6 times higher than those in previous decades. This melting has serious consequences for our planet. One of the most significant impacts is on sea levels. If the entire Greenland ice sheet were to melt, it could raise global sea levels by about 7 meters. This poses a serious threat to coastal communities around the world. Moreover, the melting ice also affects marine ecosystems. As freshwater flows into the ocean from the melting ice, it changes the salinity levels. This can disrupt local food chains and biodiversity, impacting species that rely on stable conditions. In the context of polar regions geography, the melting of the Greenland ice sheet is a critical issue. It not only affects the local environment but also has global implications. Understanding these changes is essential for managing the effects of climate change in these sensitive areas. So, as we continue to monitor the Greenland ice sheet, it becomes clear that its melting is a significant indicator of our changing climate. The data shows that while there may be fluctuations in annual loss, the overall trend points toward increasing melting. Keeping an eye on this vital ice sheet is essential for our understanding of the planet's future.